Hello everyone, Basu this side. Today we're going to look at one of the programming language that we call Python. Python is object-oriented high-level programming language. This programming language is now becoming really famous. It can also have a potential to replace some other programming language such as Java and etc. Those programming languages are widely used these days, but however, when it comes to Python, it is becoming very famous and falls under many people's choice nowadays. So we will just have a look at very simple steps how we can do programming in Python and what are the simple codes that we need to understand in the very beginning. In coming videos, we will also try to look at some of the advanced tools that we can use in Python and make something useful out of it. Okay, so I'm using Spider here. And within this Spider, I'm using Python 3.7. So this is the latest version of 2020 March. But by the time you are watching this video, maybe there are new version available. So it is always good to install the newest version so that you can get some of the new features and additional information regarding Python. Okay, so I'm using the Spider now. I'm not going to show you how we can install Spider and etc. Maybe I can make videos regarding installment and other things if I get sufficient feedback from you guys. First of all, let's have a look at some of the interface in here. So this is the Python main window where we can write a code, okay? And this is the console bar. We will be seeing the execution version of any kind of code in here, okay? So firstly, I'm going to write very simple code in here, such as print double colon. And within here we can type single column or double column and type anything in here. Maybe we can type Python for student, and here in the play button just click in here. So the Python for student, so it is printed. This is very simple logic. So if we want to create write a message which we want to print in the console bar, then we can simply type hi everyone. Python tutorials are available. Okay, so when you click this button, we're going to see the same exact word that we have written in here. It's going to be printed in here. Okay, so I'm going to talk here about variables now. Okay, so whatever we have written and set of values, so these are known as variables. For example, I'm going to set here x is equal to let's say anything in random number 5, y is equal to 3. Okay, so x is known as variable, y is known as variable, and these are values. Okay, so x is 5 and y is 3. These are very simple logic that we usually learn in schools. So what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to write total is equal to x head of y. So what is going to be the answer in the logic? 5 and 3, 8, right? So answer should be 8. So how we can execute the answer? Okay, so we have applied a very basic formula in here. We have set total variable, x is equal to 5, y variable, y is equal to 3, and the total variable. There are some specified, pre-reserved word by the Python, so we cannot use those words such as for, true. There are many other words that we need to understand, but we can also easily find out if the variable is by default, that if we are not allowed to use the variable, we can see the red color in here, or maybe true, TRU, true. Red color, sometimes blue color, okay, yeah, violet color. So these colors means that we cannot use those words as a variable. So we have to choose the words accordingly. Okay, so total variable is set, and I have given the simple formula x out of y. Okay, so now I'm going to print the value. Okay, print, very simple, x plus y. When we hit run, we will be able to see 8. Okay, so this is very simple. And so one very powerful option that I understand about Python is, if we give space in here and hit run, we will be able to see the answer, because Python is so powerful that it can understand what is the value of space in here. Okay, so the space does not matter. And if we want to say something before the execution of 8, then we can simply write double column in here, double column, and write inside the double column. The value is, maybe we can say 5 out of 3 is going to be x plus y space. Okay, so what's the mistake? It's good that it happened at the moment, so I can show you the mistake in here. Okay, so we have to, so these are two different commands that we are assigning. One, we are saying let's print this sentence, and also use this command to execute the answer. Okay, so we need to write here comma, so we will be able to see the answer now. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. It looks like we have given too much space in here. Maybe we can remove the space from here. Let's have a look at now. Yes. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Today I'm just going to wind up in here. It is very important to understand these logics if you are very new in this software. And in the second video, I will try to make quite a good approach to make you understand that what Python is and how Python can be used in many other ways. We will also look at some of the other main important features in Python. So till then, have a good day. Bye-bye.